everyone. So I am Mendoza Christine. So for today, my topic is Chapter 19, Wading Through the Waste Stream, Solids and Hazardous Waste. So first is waste stream. So what is waste stream? Can you please all read?
Waste stream describes the ongoing creation of waste and the production, use, and disposal of material items.
So the path that waste takes from the moment we throw it away until it reaches its final place. So, for example, aling waste stream is mauni siya is katong mga plastic bottle gani kabalo mo ana kay kanang i-recycle gani himuon siyang Christmas tree or bisag unsa pa na diha. So kasabot ra mo?
Yes.
So unsa gani ang waste stream? Kanang i-recycle siya. Like kanang sa mga water bottle or sa mga plastic po, di ba? Pwede siyang mahimo bisag kung sa
Christmas
Christmas tree. Ay, Christmas tree. Kato galing.
Mga
Parol,
Christmas
ay katong pang galing.
Christmas star.
Kuan, dira sa mga sa city jail gani. Kaya naman na kanang lantern, mga iana.
Parol.
O kana. So, next is mapping the life cycle of waste. So, industrial waste occurs during the resource extraction and production or manufacturing stage. So, what's man mapping the life cycle of waste? So, showing all the steps waste goes through from creation to disposal. So, it helps us understand how waste is produced, used, collected, reused, recycled, or thrown away. It's like making a map of a waste journey. So mauni siya ang mapping the life cycle of waste. So gikan sa paglabay, dayon pagpadulong sa paglabay kay murag recycle nimo so murag nakatuyok siya. Murag recycle ra ang atong ibang labay. Pero depende ra po if malata, dili na jud kumakuan. Dili na jud ma-recycle. So, industrial waste. So, industrial waste is trash that comes from factory and businesses. So, industries that make products like steel, clothes, or food produce waste such as chemicals, scraps, and packaging. So, mauni katong naay mga factory. So, mauni itong mga ginabuhat na mga sa candies or asa pa kanang mga naay rubber or mga plastic. So next is agricultural waste. So results from farming and animal production. So ang agricultural waste, so from the word agricultural. So mauni siya ang waste from farms. So this includes plants, remains, animal manure, and leftover farm material. So for example, rice stalks, corn cobs, animal manure, and spoiled crops from farms. So mauni ka sa mga paano siya sa mga farm na siya gikan ang agricultural waste. So next is municipal waste. So includes waste from households, business, schools, hospitals, and others. So muni katong di ba sa hospital makita natin dito is katong dito ang mga basura gani dito kadili malata ug bato lang para sa mga injection gani na murag basta katong mga dili katong mga makasaman. So muna ilang panglahi-lahi dito municipal waste. Next is closing the loop. So means that there is no extra waste that requires storage, burial, viewing, or export. So simple meaning is reusing or recycling materials so waste become useful again. So, mao na to, katong ganiha, bibili sa waste stream. So, sa mga water bottle or sa mga paper. So, kanang mga paper, instead na ilabay nato sila, so pwede pa ragyapon siyang mahimong paper. Himuon ragyapon siya. So, using recycled bottles to make a new bottles or shirts, so the material keeps being reused. So, gina-reuse ragyapon siya ang closing the loop. So, means that there is no extra waste. So, pwede ragyapon siya mabalik. Lastly is disposing of waste. So, tossing it aside and covering it up. So, dumps and landfills, burning trash incineration, exporting electronics, e-waste disposal. So, meaning is getting rid of waste in a safe way. So, ang disposing can make putting waste in landfills, burning it in water facilities, or properly treating harmful waste to protect people and the environment. So, ang throwing garbage in a proper landfill where trash is covered and managed safely. So, dapat if maglabay mo na og ka ng mga delikado na mga basura, dapat iniwang tarungon. So, for example, ka ng mga buwak-buwak na mga glass. So, dapat ino pa siyang isulod sa plastic, idubliyon nimo kay inig ka kuan na dito para dili ko masamad ang mga garbage collector. So, sa ganini, ang kabahin sa chapter 19 is ang waste stream, industrial waste, agricultural waste, municipal waste, and reducing the loop, disposing of waste. So, dapat basura mo, ilabay mo. So, tarungon na ito ilabay ang atong basura kay para ang atong palibot ay limpyo o dili magkalagpo. Thank you for listening to me, and that's all.
So good day everyone, I am Janna Obera, and today I am going to continue the discussion of chapter 19. And before I proceed to my discussion about this topic, I have here mga pictures to show you, and I'm going to ask someone to share their ideas into the class. So first picture is this. So may I ask Ms. Shong to share their ideas to the class. Yes, thank you, Ms. Shong. The next picture is this. And the next is this. So, all of this picture is connected to chapter 19 and the topic that I am going to discuss today. So first is swimming in the ocean garbage patches. So swirling and whirling, concentrating trash in ocean garbage. So as we observe, or as we all know, many garbages are thrown into the ocean, just like mga bottles, plastic bottles, mga cans, and they are thrown into oceans, just like sa mga picture na ako, just like this. So if na siya sa dagat. And we all know that any selling ng mga trash it is dangerous and makadaot siya sa mga gapuyo dito sa dagat, of course, because they thought na, for example, they thought na ang mga garbage na nataw is food, it is a food, so ilaha nga makaon, and it is dangerous and makadaot sa ilaha and makamatay. And so we have the gyre. Gyre is created by wind blowing across the ocean surface by Earth rotation. So it has 5 ocean gyres, which is the North Pacific, South Pacific, North Atlantic, South Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. And because of these gyres, mga trash na naglutaw dito sa ocean is carried away sa gyres, and over time the trash it collects in one time, and dito na magtapok ang mga basura, and it is called garbage patches. So we have fighting photodegradable flood. So let's talk about photodegradable flood. So it is katong mga garbage or katong mga plastic na it is broken into pieces if ma-expose siya sa sunlight. And again, it is dangerous sa mga species because they mistakenly that it is a food. And according to research, or according sa mga scientists, they found plastics sa mga seabird stomachs, and because it can really cause danger to them and it can cause death. So that's why we have to stop trash at the source. And the best way to tackle the problems of ocean garbage pollution is to reduce, reuse, recycle, and compost, shrinking the waste stream. So we do this para malas nato ang harm sa mga species na napuno sa dagat. So, we reduce consumption of mga plastic goods, we reduce mga gamit nga ito nga napalit nga dili na but dili na siya kayo na tanit. Dayon, recycle mga materials nga pwede ka siya nga recycle. So, may I ask someone here na nakaagi na or kanang they experience na nag-recycle sila. Yes, Miss Mendoza. Yes, very good. So, as we said, katong mga daan mga sinina or dili na kayo magamit is yung mga lihi mo into the box. So, another example is kanang mga plastic bottles. So, pwede natin na siyang, instead of ilagay, pwede natin siyang recycle. Pwede natin siyang himuon ng mga bulak, mga designs at mga wala instead of throwing it away. And next is handling hazardous waste. So, of course, na ay mga different types sa mga garbage side. So, naasay hazardous. So, from the word hazardous, it is makadaot yun, of course, sa ato ang lawa sa mga species and also sa disrupt ecosystem. So, example ko, this is fatal to humans or lang animals. So, katulad na yung mga makakos o cancer, diabetes, mga inana. And next is toxic to humans or other organisms. Like corrosive, like mga bacteria acid. So, makadaot na siya sa especially na itong mga human. And explosive or highly reactive or volatile. So, this is kanang mga types na makadaot or it is a hazardous waste. And that's yung mga RA or mga Republic Act na nag-support para kanak ng mga klase ng garbage is malabay in a good way or it is disposed o karon yun. So again we can help to lessly harm sa atong environment sa mga garbage by doing the reduce, recycle, of course, and sabi kaya nga maglabay ng basura, of course, sa mga dagat kahit sa nasa natin panglabay. And we don't know or we don't wala na to na-realize na daghan sa din mga madaot kung makalabay siya sa uban, dili lang sa baho. So, from now on, we try to do the reduce, reuse, and recycle, and also compost. So, any questions or clarifications in the class sa kong report? Okay, yes. So, thank you. So, thank you for listening. And so, wala any questions, let's move to our activity or our short quiz. So, it is a 20 items and it is multiple choice. So, and also, yung agenda is to make a slogan that explain the importance of practicing the reduce, reuse, recycle. So, all na siya. Use na mo and like use na mo mga illustration work. So, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and hope that you will learn sa mga discussion and don't forget to reduce, reuse, and recycle.